In this video, we are going to make a simple and small fix to our delete functionality. In the last video, we saw how we can delete a location from the storage and also from the pages array. But right now, we did something. If I hit delete, take for example, I'm on the viewing the page for London. This is for London. Then I delete London. Now, if I go back to the page, you are going to see that the page is blank. Now, the reason is because we did not use the appropriate method. If I go back to my app.component.ts, right here, let's go inside the remove method. Here, we are saying once we remove from the storage, set the root to get the active page. And we know we just deleted the active page from the storage. So we can't actually use this particular method inside the set root. Rather, we'll just use the simple home page, then we pass in this object. Then it's going to add the page or display the user's current information. So what I'm going to do right here is, instead of using this.nav.getActive.component, we're not going to use that. I'll go back here. So if I click on Berlin, now I'm viewing Berlin, then I delete the information. You can see here now that we have a blank page. We don't want that. What we want is when we delete any information, we are going to display the user's own location. So to do that now, I'll go back here. It's very easy. Rather than using this method, I will use home page, then pass in the object, which is weather info. Then I'll get this particular object. Now this location object contains the information for the user's location. So I'm going to pass that inside this object. It's going to be this dot location. Instead of a comma, I'll use colon. So right now, once we remove that particular information from the storage, we are going to set the root page to be the home page of the user's own location, rather than setting the root page of the page or the information that was deleted. So now I'll save this, then I'll go back. Now I'm going to add some more cities. Right here, I'll click on add city. Now let me add a city. Now you can see we have two cities, London. Let me add another, Berlin. Now you can see we have three cities. Now I'll click on Berlin. You can see here Berlin, we have the temperature as 7, and here also we have it as 7. Now I'll delete Berlin and I'll go back. Now you can see we have an information being displayed. We don't have a blank page. And here we have the user's current location, which is my own location, Tallinn. The temperature is 3. Here you can see the temperature is 3. So if I click on London, see London is 6.81. And that is what we have here. Actually, at this point, we can't see the name of the city right here. So we are viewing London. I'm going to delete London. Go back. You can see now this root page is displaying the user's own location information. So rather than using the get active.component, we just pass in the component name as a string, then we pass in the object.